So as you see, I have no keyboard attached. The Bluetooth is now working. Hey, what's good, guys? Good to have you back on the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Bluetooth driver for your M-Wave 25 Key Mini. And I'm also going to guide you through the installation process and how to make sure it works perfectly fine in FL Studio. So no further ado, let's dive in the video. But first, if you're new here, I want to thank you for joining. And also, please use the sub button so you see me often and drop a like on the video if this video make impact. With all that being said, let's continue on the video. So to get started with the process, you have to go below this video you are watching in the More tab and download the driver to where you see download driver. And then you'll be brought to this website looking just like this. Now, where you can go to download the file we need is you have to come to the other software here and then click, and then you'll be brought to this other tab. Now you see here this one that say SMK connector. This is where we have our SMK-25 key, and you have the rest of the M-Wave driver that needs the Bluetooth connector, right? Now you're gonna hit this download tab now. It's going to take a couple of minutes based off your internet. And this is what we have. Where you want to save your download file, you just go ahead and save it there. And I'm just going to save mine here. And in no time, we have it download. So to locate the file immediately, just hit this folder here. Come to your arrow down here and then hit this. It's going to open our system directly to the folder. So this is what we want. Now you are done with the internet. You can go ahead and off your internet if that's what you want. Better still, leave your internet on if you have some other things to do online. Now let's come to the point where we have to install this file now. Now to get the file installed so we can start making use of it, which we want, all you have to do is double click on it. Now I have my window protection on, your Defender. There's no need to panic. All you have to do is come to your window Defender. I usually find it here. This is one of the easiest way. So I'm going to click on this my turn on firewall, or I can come to virus protection here and just click it, and then I can now come here to manage settings. So this real-time protection just deactivated, and then it's going to go off like this. Now once we try to install the plugin again, it should work. Now you see here you have the run. Now you just click on the run and you just go through the step. You can create your desktop shortcut if you want the shortcut to be on your desktop. Leave a check and just like this. And now you are done installing it, you can just click the finish with this one being checked. The stuff is going to launch automatically. But if you don't want that, you can just uncheck this and hit the finish, which means the software will launch. Now to come find the software and launch it, this is where you have to come, and the software should be somewhere among here, but unfortunately it's not here. Now let's come to my start window. It's going to be to your start window too if you are not seeing on your desktop. So here is it. This is the software. This is how it's going to look like. In some cases you won't have this here, but in my case I've been using it, so it's here. But if you don't have it here, it's fine. All you have to do is just on the keyboard. It's going to take a few minutes to load on the keyboard the usual way with the switch, and you're going to have your Bluetooth stop blinking. And by default, if it's not here, you can then hit the plus button here and then pair it. Now you see the keyboard is here, and then you can pair it. It's going to take a few minutes. Now you have it on this list. Whenever you're ready, you're going to just come here and activate it. It's going to load like this. Once it's like this, that is working for you, you can just minimize the window, open up your FL Studio if that's what you're using for your production, And then to make this start to work in FL Studio, all you have to do is come to the option here, come to this MIDI setting, and then in the MIDI setting tab, you see the SMK-25 BT. This is the BT driver, and this is the DAW. This can be used if you have the USB cable, then you can use the DAW one. But if you are using the Bluetooth, then you can use the BT one. So just as you see the cable one is deactivated, this is how it's going to be deactivated by default. Now you will just have to come here and activate it. Now once it's activated, just look at the control here. If I press the keyboard, you should see it, showing sound that the keyboard is now functioning, right? Now let's come now add some plugin here and then start to press and see what happened. So let's use one of my favorite plugin FL Studio. It's the Flex. Yeah, so now we have the Flex here. Let's just take some random presets. Then let's go ahead to play. So as you see, I have no keyboard attached. The Bluetooth is now working. This is the keyboard I'm spinning around. Fortunately, I no longer use my phone to record because my phone is broken. So we are managing the little webcam here to see everything that you have to see. Yeah, so this is it. This is how you can install the driver on your PC and also get it working in FL Studio. I hope this tip helped. And if there's anything you need to know about the M-Wave 25 key mini keyboard, just let me know in the comment section. I'll make sure to do a video on that for you. With all that being said, hope to catch you in the next video. Peace.